Hello everyone and welcome to Neat Mentor. Today I'm going to talk about a notification which is getting circulated over social media and is getting viral. The date which it got published is 25th, and as per this notification, it says that the registration for Gujarat state is starting from 27th and it will go on until 1st of November. Okay, the online registration is starting from 27th, but when we checked our the official website, that is www.medadmgujarat.org, there we couldn't find any notification related to MD and MS. All the notifications are available so far is related to MDS. So we can't assume that we can do or there is no option available to do the fresh registration for MDMS. So as of now you can ignore the this notification. Okay, it can be fake also, but you need to double confirm from the Gujarat State Counseling. Since we are not able to figure out the location or notification from the official website, we are ruling it out. And regarding Gujarat state is a domicile state. Those candidates who have done their MBBS from Gujarat, they are eligible for Gujarat State Counseling. Even FMG candidates are not eligible for Gujarat State Counseling, even though they belong to Gujarat State. Okay, so the particular notification is relevant mostly to those candidates who are coming from Gujarat State Counseling. Okay, so if we get to know about anything more concrete about this notification, we will update you through the video. So be with the channel a Neat Mentor for all the updates. And we recently updated about Madhya Pradesh registration, which is going to start on 29th. Let me give you an update summary about all the notifications or all the activities that has started. So first, Pondicherry registration started. Okay, and it got closed also on 18th of this month. Tamil Nadu State Counseling, which got extended and it got closed on 25th. And then the other notification that has started for Punjab State Counseling is going on, and Punjab is also a domicile state. There is one medical college that is called Adesh Medical College, where you can do the registration from round 2. And the fourth one is Madhya Pradesh, which is going to start from 29th, and there is no schedule up to until when it will be going on. And they said that since the all India quota counseling process is on hold due to Supreme Court decision, so the further dates will be in according to the decision or all India quota proceeding. And next, this one, Gujarat, where the notification is not available on the official website. So this is the current summary of all the notification, all the registration process. And talking about deemed universities, Central University, All India Quota, and DNB counseling process, that is MCC counseling, that is on hold, and it will be clarified once we get any concrete decision from Supreme Court. So that's a summary as well. Okay, so thanks for watching. And you can also avail our paid guidance services, and for that you can call us on to the number 9319128677. And you can find some important ebooks in the description of the video, so you must check the description, and you can check on the what we provide as part of paid counseling guidance, all the points that you will be able to figure out in the description. So thanks for watching again, and have a great day. We will meet again with a new topic.